All right. Welcome to home-based learning. This is these are going to be examples from 7-4. So that worksheet that you have, 7-4. So we're just going to be simplifying these. So let's start with number 2. So we have two things with the same base. So we have the same base of 6, so we can subtract the exponents. So this equals 6 to the 7 minus 3. So if we have the same base, we can subtract the exponents. So our answer here would be 6 to the 4th. And then if we needed to, we could put that in a calculator and see what 6 to the 4th is. For the ones that have variables in them, I want you to get the actual numbers, but for this one, I would be fine with you leaving it as 6 to the 4th, because what I really want to know is that you know to subtract the 7 and the 3. So we're going to leave this one as 6 to the 4th. All right, so let's look at number 6 now. So first of all, if we have just numbers with no exponents, if they have no exponents, then we can just divide like normal, right? 21 divided by 3 is just 7. So we just have 7 on top. So we can divide by normal as long as they don't have any exponents. Then we need to look at our variables. So we have m, and they have the same base, so we can subtract the exponents. So a little reminder on subtracting fractions, we have to make sure they have the same denominator. So remember, we have to find a common denominator. In this case, they already have a common denominator. So we just have to subtract the tops. We just have to subtract the numerators. So we end up with 7m to the 3 minus 1 is 2 divided by 2. 2 divided by 2 is just 1. So we have 7m to the first. But remember, anything to the first power is just itself. So we don't actually have to write the 1. So this is just 7m. And that would be our final answer. So again, if it doesn't have... if we have numbers that don't have exponents, then we can just divide them like normal. So 21 divided by 3 is 7. When we have the same base and exponents, we can subtract the exponents. Subtracting fractions, we have to make sure they have a common denominator, and then we can just subtract the numerators. And then we can simplify. And then if there's a 1, we don't have to write it. All right. I will see you guys in the next video.